Hi, today we're gonna show you how to hide the Telegram notifications from your Android lock screen. So we'll have to go to settings or simply long press the icon, click app info, and just simply click the manage notifications. So it's pretty simple, just click the silent and then click the hide notification details on your lock screen so that messages will not show up while your phone is locked. And then you can do it a couple of more times for the different settings. So just turn it on. And lastly, for the system silent, just click it. And once you're done, you're good to go. Messages won't be showing up on your Android lock screen. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.